Major Yo will now perform the Your Turn, immediately followed by the tactical climb at Show Center. You ready? Let's go! The Apache's true third-generation capability is demonstrated in its ability to integrate digitally with fighter aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, armor, and ground forces. This armor-protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify, and prioritize over 200 targets, and also engage stationary or moving targets at standoff range. Executing the Apache's re-attack capability, Major Yo will now perform the paddle turn and fly back into Show Center. Apache pilots are trained to multitask while operating this sophisticated attack helicopter. Flying fast at low altitudes, they are drilled to manage the complex avionics, detect, track, and engage both air and ground targets, provide close air support, and ensure the safety of the aircraft and its crew. Ladies and gentlemen, as Major Yo is performing this lateral flight, look below the nose of the Apache. You'll notice the motion of the 30mm ballistic cannon. Firing at a rate of up to 650 rounds per minute, this cannon can be linked to the pilot's helmet, target acquisition and designation sight, or fire control radar located above the rotor blades. From this backward motion, Major Yo pulls up into a powerful Viking climb and swings forward for his next maneuver. The Apache, also known as the Tank Killer, is equipped with the state-of-the-art longbow fire control radar and fire and forget Hellfire anti-tank missiles, and is designed to fight and prevail in day, night, and in adverse weather conditions. This awesome machine, a premier model of the modern attack helicopter, is capable of flying at over 300 kilometers an hour on a full combat load. The AH-64 is a key feature to the SAF's transformation into its third generation. Its capabilities enable the SAF to carry out greater and complex operations. Exploiting its aerodynamics, Major Yo will perform the downward spiral, showcasing the agility of this fighting machine and handling skills of the pilot.
Can you handle this? I don't think you can handle this.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nick from the Apache. I trust that you have enjoyed our display. Thank you for your wonderful support. We take this bow in a salute to Singapore.
It's
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Raptor from the F-16. Thank you for this opportunity to showcase the Republic of Singapore Air Force. See you on the ground, Raptors checking out.